Good morning, Riverside. This is the Blue Jays News Report. I'm Maria. Today is January 3rd, 2014, and we hope you all had another super week at school. Having birthdays today is Emma in Mr. Hughes' class. Having birthdays this weekend is Emily in Mrs. Reimer's class. Happy birthday! Don't forget to stop by the office for your birthday pencil. Now it's time for the weather forecast. Yuck! It is freezing out there. The high temperature today is 13 degrees. Good luck to the Green Bay Packers this weekend as they go against the 49ers in the playoffs in Green Bay. It's going to be a very cold game. Go Pack! And speaking of lunchroom, Mrs. Lestring wanted to tell the fifth graders that they did a fantastic job picking up in the lunchroom and with their behavior in indoor recess. What great role models for our school. It's Friday, and you know what that means, Thunderation. Thunder, thunder, thunderation, we're the Blue Jays generation. When we work with determination, we create a sensation. Thunder, thunder, thunderation, we're the Blue Jays generation. When we work with determination, we create a sensation. And now it's time for the Pledge of Allegiance. Remember to be safe, respectful, and responsible and productive students. Have a great weekend!